If you decide to use forms to generate pipeline, you need to remember one thing. Buyer momentum dies super fast today, let's say around 3 minutes after they fill out the form. In the momentum marketing model, the goal is to keep momentum alive and move qualified leads into direct asynchronous conversations. Let's see how to do it with Knock workflow for forms. Open the Knock dashboard, go to Forms, and click Create Form Workflow. Knock pulls in your HubSpot and Marketo forms, lets you search or filter them based on category and submissions. Once you select a form, Knock enriches every submission with more than 120 data points in real time. It then qualifies the lead and matches them to the right rep. As soon as the form is submitted, Knock automatically sends a LinkedIn message from the assigned rep. You can customize the message for each workflow. Once you activate the workflow, every form submission is enriched by Knock and synced to your CRM based on your configuration. You can track results in real time, including which leads were qualified and who connected on LinkedIn. When a lead replies, you'll receive a Slack notification and the full LinkedIn conversation will be synced to your CRM. Let's Knock